So as we've seen and heard on the news, some parents in Gaza have resorted to writing their children's names on their legs to help identify them in case either they or their children are killed. So I'm going to read an excerpt from a poem called Write My Name by Zaina Azam. Write my name on my leg, mama. Use the black permanent marker with the ink that doesn't bleed if it gets wet. The one that doesn't melt if it's exposed to heat. Write my name on my leg, mama. Make the lines thick and clear. Add your special flourishes so I can take comfort in seeing my mama's handwriting when I go to sleep. Write my name on my leg, mama, and on the legs of my sisters and brothers. This way we will belong together. This way we will be known as your children. Write my name on my leg, mama, and please write your name and Baba's name on your legs too, so we will be remembered as a family. Write my name on my leg, mama. When the bomb hits our house, when the walls crush our skulls whole, our legs will tell our story, how there was nowhere for us to run.
For weeks now, her posts have been about life at a time of war.
We now wake up at 5 a.m. to queue for bread. We now walk more than 6 kilometers to fill up a gallon of salty or fresh water. We charge our phones on the streets using the solar power we can find. We crave our favorite foods, but there's no power, no gas or water, so we have to make do with canned foods.
Ayat showed people how Gazans survive, neighbors sharing the little they have to bake bread in clay ovens. And at times, it was about how close death felt as bombs rained down on Gaza.
This might be my last video. They dropped leaflets asking people to evacuate the area. Most people fled. People were running in the streets like crazy, not knowing where to go. The situation is terrifying. God have mercy on us.
As the war intensified in the north, Ayat didn't leave. The safety they were told to evacuate to in the south was an illusion. Nowhere in Gaza is safe, she said.
Death and destruction is everywhere in Gaza. The occupation has no mercy on anyone, not the elderly, not the children, not the women, no one. All civilians are under fire in Gaza. Where are the decision makers? Where's the world? Gaza is being annihilated. We are dying. Someone do something. Enough.
On Monday, it was Ayat's, killed along with other family members in a night of intense bombardment of Beit Lahia. Her last video, the haunting words of a 27-year-old with a final message from Gaza to the world.
We're humans like everyone else. We had big dreams. Now our dream is, if we are killed, we are a body in one piece, so we can be identified, buried in a grave, not body parts in a bag. When will this war end? Who will remain to tell people what happened to us, what we lived through, what we've witnessed?